Saving $10K in 2024 may seem daunting, but with strategic planning and discipline, it's achievable. Here are 6 money-saving tips to help you reach your goal. 1. Set clear goals. Define your savings target and break it down into manageable monthly or weekly targets. 2. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate a portion of your income specifically for savings. 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Trim non-essential spending like dining out, subscriptions, or impulse purchases. 4. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account to ensure consistency. 5. Shop smart. Look for discounts, use coupons, and compare prices before making purchases. 6. Increase income. Explore opportunities for additional income through freelance work, part-time jobs, or selling unused items.